Okay, let's just Haichi Aichi let's unbox this OPPO Bubble. And the Chinese name is just OPPO Bubble. It's actually a smart electronic display, the legendary electronic gadget, an electronic badge. Let's open it up and take a look. The box itself is actually quite light and small. It feels like there is nothing inside, just like a cheap toy. But then again, an electronic bag-wise is basically just a toy anyway. Come on, go ahead and give it a lick. Oh, I really have to say, it truly does feel just like a rather oversized AirTag device. Down here at the very bottom, you will find the USB-C charging port, which is positioned a little bit too low. Now let's take a closer look inside the accessory box. Oh, it actually includes a magnetic sticker and a magnetic ring. And there is also a protective case and a handy little keychain tucked away in here. That's basically all there is to the process. You have to align it by hand, manually lining up all these specific holes. It's a truly ridiculous and tedious process, if you ask me. I believe that everything should be perfectly aligned into position now. However, it appears that the device is still completely out of power. The rear panel clearly supports MagSafe technology, which is why it comes equipped with a built-in magnetic ring. Alright, it seems that it is finally fully charged up now. The interface is remarkably similar to a standard smartwatch operating system. Now let's go ahead and pair it with the latest Reno 16 Pro model. It pops right up and connects to your phone, exactly the same way a smartwatch would. The underlying logic is completely identical. It is so much more than just a simple gadget. It can even be used to trigger your camera remotely. Within the app, you have the freedom to swap out your wallpapers whenever you like. Plus, you can download all sorts of cute pets, so it effectively doubles as a fun virtual pet for you to enjoy. You are able to download one of these files, and if you would like to, you are also able to simply click on the icon to toggle its loop mode on or off. This right here is the primary function of the baji. It also supports magnetic attachment, which is actually quite convenient. But because our current Reno model doesn't feature a magnetic ring, I'll have to use an iPhone to demonstrate how it works for you today. It's actually quite secure. It won't fall off, even if you shake it hard, but it's still easy enough to take off. I'd recommend using this protective case with a keychain instead. It's more stable to hang it somewhere that way compared to the magnetic attachment. Alright, that's about it. What do you guys think of this thing?